Top 10 Biggest Construction Equipment. Super dozers, huge cranes, are eye-popping engineering feats that can be found on sites all over the world. They are not only bulky, but they also perform heavy tasks and make work easier. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 biggest construction equipment. CAT 6090 Hydraulic Shovel. Caterpillar offers this equipment in frontless configuration for both mobile and pedestal-mounted applications. Specialty application that is served with this machine includes dredging and coastal protection, heavy and marine construction, quarry and aggregate, heavy material handling, and demolition. The CAT 6090 is slightly larger than the Hitachi EX8000 and has an operating weight of 1,080 tons. It is effectively powered by a massive 4,500 horsepower engine. This device can accommodate the wider size and different work tools, increase stability to adjust the bucket or other tools, and increase fleet commonality of other equipment that weighs more than 100 metric tons. 9. TBM Tunnel Boring Machine. Named after a popular Seattle's first woman mayor, Big Bertha holds the record for the world's largest tunnel boring equipment. It was manufactured and designed by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works of Osaka, Japan. It is about 57 feet in diameter and was initially designed to build a 2-mile roadway that is underneath the city of Seattle, Washington. Nevertheless, it broke down right in the middle of the project. The TBM tunnel boring machine is estimated to take another 2 to 3 years to make the needed repairs before the machine begins working again. 8. NASA Crawler Transporter. To help the launching of the space shuttle, this huge 50-year-old crawler transporter is being modified that will take us to Mars. They were used to successfully transport space shuttles from 1981 to 2011. This huge 114 feet wide and 131 feet long equipment weighs more than 6 million pounds. It can effectively carry NASA rockets from one particular site to another at a speed of about 1 mile per hour. One of the available 2 crawlers that are in existence has traveled 2,207 miles in its lifetime, which means it would have taken 2,207 hours to cover the distance. 7. Bucyrus 2570 Walking Dragline. Often referred to as Big Kate, this equipment has a bucket capacity of 100 cubic yards, 35-degree boom angle, 310 feet boom length, suspension load of 550,000 pounds, and overall weight of 10.4 million pounds. The Bucyrus 2570W can dig to a depth of 140 feet and have a speed of 0.15 mile per hour. It is certainly not a speedster, and it moves at a snail's pace. It certainly won't be stealing any bases soon. 6. P&H 4100 XPC Electric Rope Shovel. This is an electric rope shovel with maximum load capacity, offers low cost per ton loading, and a powerful cutting force. It is designed with specific rigors of rope operations in mind. They are assigned for reliability and longevity. It is built to handle tough materials with a major focus on penetrating the bank. P&H 4100 XPC Electric Rope Shovel can remove huge amounts of overburden and ore efficiently. This mammoth 109-ton 4100 XPC is about 48 feet tall and hauls up to 82 cubic yards. It is engineered to boost production by up to 9% and eliminate boom jacking by 50% with no form of negative effect on the shovel structure. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. 5. Komatsu D575A Dozer. Komatsu D575A Dozer is primarily used by many mine operators in the United States, Australia, and Canada. It is the largest bulldozer in production ever since its inception in 1991. It can move 90 cubic yards per pass with a 1,150 horsepower engine, 11 meters in length, 5 meters in height, and 7 meters in width. 4. Belaz 75710. This is an ultra-class haul that was made in Belarus by Belaz. As of 2013, it was the world's largest and highest payload capacity haul truck. The Belaz 75710 recently became superior over the CAT 797F dump truck as the world's largest dump truck. This equipment stands 26 feet tall and weighs around 450 tons. It is powered by two separate 65-liter engines, each having 2,300 horsepower. 3. Liebherr 9800 Mining Excavator. Liebherr manufactures some of the best cranes. It boasts one of the largest bucket excavators with R9800. Liebherr 9800 is impressive, and it exemplifies the motto, "Go big or go home." This equipment can perform large-capacity mining operations. It is equipped with huge 16-cylinder V engines and can produce 4,000 horsepower. The R9800 weighs 1,785,700 pounds and has a bucket capacity of 62 cubic yards. It can save a lot of time while busy digging out the pool in the backyard. 2. P&H L2350 Loader. L2350 holds the Guinness World Record as the biggest earth mover. It has a transport length of 20.27 meters, a height of 6.76 meters, and a width of 6.73 meters, and weighs around 160,000 pounds. It can lift a payload of 72 tons. The loader has a 2,300 horsepower engine, a 16V Series 4000 engine type, and a standard bucket of 40.52 cubic meters. 1. Bagger 293 Bucket Wheel Excavator. The Bagger 293 is reported to be the world's largest excavator. This heavy wheel excavator holds the alarming record for the biggest man-made land vehicle in the history of equipment. Standing at about 721 feet long, the width of about 151 feet, and 310 feet tall, this German machine can transport 100,000 cubic yards of dirt in a day. To accomplish this, it makes use of 20 of its rotating buckets. It requires a crew of 5 to effectively operate and weighs over 31 million pounds. Being as big as they are only limited to being used in the largest quarries in the world. The cost is extraordinary, and transport is not easy.